Hello everyone, this is Shaine Aceres. So a few months ago, I actually asked some of my Instagram friends to suggest a video content, and one of them answered this one. So if I'm not mistaken, it's from Camille, a friend from college. Yeah, so as you can see in the description below, this will all be about some of the lettering styles that I have been using and I have encountered, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So the first one is monoline lettering. It is where the lines are all the same weight. The line width needs to be consistent. They need to stay consistent. It can be thick or it can be thin, but it cannot be thick and thin. You don't actually need a brush pen for this. Keep your material simple. For markers and pens, as you can see, I will be using a pen that has a round tip. So the next one is faux calligraphy. For faux calligraphy, it uses simple fineliners to imitate the effect of calligraphy. So for g-tec users, you can also use your pens. There are actually 3 simple ways of how to do the faux calligraphy. The first one is to write the letters or word. Second one, draw outlines to the downstrokes. For the last step, fill in the outlines. So the third one will be the brush lettering. It's obvious that we will be using a brush pen for this lettering style. So here I'm using the tombow fudenosuke. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation though. But here we will be applying the rule of thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes. So actually you can view my other videos about calligraphy for a more detailed tutorial. For a bouncy lettering, actually there is no right or wrong way how to do it. You just need to exaggerate the words or the letters that you want to write. The one on the upper part is the normal style or the brush lettering. So here I will just literally bounce on and off the baseline as I write the word. Flourishing is actually hard, but these are some of the basic flourishes that you can practice as you try to master how to do it. Stylistic lettering is one of my favorites. This lettering style incorporates random thick strokes throughout the words that you want to write. Serif lettering is where you style the letters that you will be writing with small decorative lines on the ends of most strokes. One of the modern letterers that inspired me the most is Crystal, and one of her lettering styles is this one, the whimsical or the elegant brush lettering. It is a style that is full of large loops and small vowels. So as you can see here, I will be writing this word in a very exaggerated and elegant way at the same time.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more updates or for more videos. Bye!